Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to offer discount codes on Sellfy. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in sellfy.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Sellfy if you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner, we have your name where we have your account settings, billing, email notifications, my purchases, and the logout option. We also have the store where we have all of the products in the store and the marketing, which on the left side of the screen. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and offer discount codes on Sellfy. So to do that, you just need to go and follow these few steps that I'll be showing you now to know how to do it in just no time. First of all, log into your Sellfy account, navigate to marketing, and then go to coupons and discounts in the left sidebar. After that, click add new discount and then go to coupon. After clicking on the coupon button, create a unique name for your discount. This is only visible for you. Then create a coupon code that your buyers will enter at the checkout to get the discount. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.